Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share an amazing homemade skin brightening sheet mask that will brighten our skin tone instantly along with lightening scars, dark spots and pigmentation. This sheet mask contains 2 steps. First is preparing the sheet. The second step is making the serum to soak the sheets. For the sheets, we can't use a regular tissues. They turn mushy when we dip them into the serum. I would suggest 3 things. First is thin muslin cloth. Second is compressed towel, which come as small tablets. Once we add water to the tablets, they'll expand into full-size napkins. The third is bath wipes. All these 3 hold the serum well without turning mushy. I had bath wipes at home, so I have used it. You can use a thin, clean muslin cloth if you don't have wipes or compressed tablets. To make the sheets, first take bath wipes or cloth and fold it in half. Now again fold it quarter way. Now using a sharp scissor, cut a V shape 3 inches from the top for the eyes. Remove the cut cloth completely and discard. Now remove the quarter fold. With a napkin folded in half, make a cut slantingly for the nose. Now make a V cut for the mouth. Remove the cut piece and discard. Now your sheet is ready. To make the serum, take 1.5 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice in a cup. Lemon brightens the skin tone well, along with fading dark spots, scars and pigmentation. It also does not irritate the skin if used with honey, like in this recipe. Now add in a tablespoon of honey. Honey softens the skin tone really well, along with brightening the skin tone immediately. But try to use unprocessed organic raw honey for best results. Finally, add in 1/4 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. You can buy vegetable glycerin easily online. It hydrates and conditions the skin really well. Now mix the ingredients well. This recipe will be enough for using on one sheet. Also, follow the recipe like I mentioned, as it gave me amazing results. Take the prepared sheet and dip it into the serum. Lightly squeeze out excess, but don't squeeze out the serum fully. To use, wash your face and pat dry. Apply this sheet mask, listen to relaxing music and rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the mask. Wash your face well with plain water and pat dry. You'll be surprised how bright and fresh your face looks. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.